Hey guys, it's Chenille and
Darin Rixen
with Bismarck Motor Company, and we are here for our second virtual ride-along. And today we are showing you the all-new redesigned, a hot seller for us right now, the 2021 Nissan Rogue.
Hi guys, I absolutely love Nissan's new redesign of the Nissan Rogue. This has been Nissan's #1 seller nationwide for a long time, and they really hit it out of the park with this redesign. Physically, the vehicle is bigger, it's quieter, a little more horsepower, 181 horse versus 170 horse, a little more towing capacity now from 1,100 pounds to 1,400 pounds towing capacity. They made the screen a lot bigger, digital displays, safety features as standard now, LED headlights, just a great overall ride. You know, the first thing I notice when I walk into this vehicle is that the fact that these zero gravity seats, which are now standard for all Nissans, is just 100% comfortable for my back. The cabin room is a lot more bigger. I'm kind of a bigger guy and provides a little bit more room and a little bit more comfort for myself. The new redesign of the center console here allows for just a little small paddle shifter that you see here, which doesn't necessarily move. It provides a lot more space to put my phone, put my coffee, and it's just a great layout. Instead of the push button, they added the dial, which gives you intelligent traction management for snow and off-road mode. It also provides sport and econ mode, which were now standard for all Rogues. So when we're out on the road here, the first thing that I'm noticing about is how much quieter this is compared to the previous generation of the Nissan Rogue. They pumped in a lot more insulation between the A and B pillar all the way around. So even in our North Dakota winds, I'm still hearing a lot less road noise than I did before. The power of this vehicle, it's a lot quieter as far as the engine noise. It's not winding up so much. It still has the electronic CVT transmission. However, it's just holding power bands a lot better, so it's giving me a little bit more power, but a lot more smoother and quieter of a ride. You know, the one thing Nissan liked to do was put all the safety features as standard now. Didn't have to have a specific trim level for the always wonderful ProPilot Assist that came out in 2018. When you push that, it brings up all your safety features, and so if I start drifting off to the side, the vehicle will just generally correct me to the center of the lane. It also will allow me to keep a specific distance between me and the car that I have in front of me, including blind spot monitoring, forward emergency braking, intelligent cruise control with lane intervention. So once I set the cruise control here, it automatically turns on the intelligent lane intervention, which utilizes that camera system up in the windshield.
Okay, Darin, I've heard that Nissan came out with some really cool new color options with these Rogues. Can you tell me a little bit about those?
Yeah, absolutely. Nissan kind of incorporated a couple of two-tone options. One can be like a black with the blue exterior. We have a new color of champagne colored, kind of that not quite silver, not quite tan kind of color. It's really pretty. We haven't seen it yet in person. Boulder gray has been a new color that's been extremely popular, not only with the Rogue, but with the Murano itself. That was a big seller, and that didn't last very long at all. Some of the new technology that's coming out for the Nissan Rogue is, again, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless phone charger, navigation link through the navigation system itself, and Nissan Connect services, which we're going to park next to the last generation of Nissan Rogue, just that older body style. And this is something that I really like. They've incorporated that same 360 camera, but they've upgraded it, as you can see, to ultra high definition. They've also incorporated a full front view camera for when I'm parking in a parking spot. Now I know exactly where I'm at, how close that curb is going to be, and lets me know with that moving object detection if anything is close by. On top of Bismarck Motor Company's best price discount, Nissan has offered a lot of great leasing and finance options available. There's a $500 rebate, plus you have the 1.9% special APR for well-qualified buyers up to 60 months. A lease right now on a Nissan Rogue starts at about $387 a month.
Thanks again, guys. Stay tuned for more virtual ride-alongs.